Okay. The topic was here how to load the data into the staging table by using Unix program it is. So first of all, what you have to do is there are some variables here. Those are all system parameters by using these are all keyword actually. Capital letter only we have to use. Dollar overall logon, dollar user ID, dollar AOL user, these are all it will come automatically. And these are all our own parameters. We are passing control file name to the SQL loader and the data file. After loading it, we have to archive somewhere, and data file name is we have to give as input. Whatever you are passing paths, that is correct or not, how to identify is by using $D, -D it is, D for directory, and then F for file it is. This is also file. Control file is a file, right? -F. And here also -F it is. And case command here is there is a $red code. Red code means return code. It will have a couple of values here, 0, 1, 2, 3, as well as star it is. And case we can end as a ESAC it is. We can move a file, move $data file path. Whatever the data we loaded, that we have to move it to archive file it is. And file name also we are mentioning here. These are all part of the syntax MB command. And red code is EQ means equal. If red code is equal to 1, that means that is error. As well as red code is equal to 3 also error only. That's why we are exiting as a exit 1. If condition we started and as well as fi also. And finally exit is 0. If something went wrong also, your program should terminate as a normal only. That's why only at the end we have made it as an exit 0. That's it. Anything different here compared to morning? These are all common only. To get user ID dynamically, dollar we can use dollar. So the dollar we are passing here, see, overall login, user ID, request ID, and these are all for file name, file path, archive file, data file path. Compared to last class, only new thing is case command is a new thing, and MV command is a new, and as well as if conditions. In Unix, all the reverse keywords here. Starting point is if, ending point is fi, reverse keyword. That's it. The same story, like we have to follow like registration and all. Go to file, save as, and then yeah, .proz file. Better go here. Okay, there is no history. History also we have to add up definitely. Loader it is loading program we are using. We are loading the data, right? Supplier loading. Save. First step is we need to migrate to bin directory. This is the first step. Okay. Move. And second step is what it is. We have to provide a permissions. Correct. This is a program. As of now, it has only read and write only. We have to make executable also. For that, properties is 777. Now, take this program. We have to create a soft link. Soft link, how it will, after creating a symbolic link or soft link, it will create one shortcut here. If a shortcut is having a red symbol, that means that is wrongly generated. That is having an issue. But right now, there is no single wrongly generated value. First, we have to go to putty it is. I'm closing, okay? I want to come from scratch. Putty. Then host name, I already saved here. So simply what we can do, select and load we can use. Select and load. Load is you have to press like this, open. And what is the username password? You could have received from that document support guide. I mean to say DBA, right? Like, yes. 1 second, guys. Important mail receipt. What is the username password? APPL MGR, application manager, but in the organization it will be different also. So that you have to get it through DBA technical consultant. If it is not appearing properly, there are some settings here. Change settings. So somewhere here you can check your behavior or appearance. See, career new. Font size, you can increase it if you want. And some background also we can do somewhere. You need to search, guys, but I have to. Behavior. No, it seems right. Appearance. Any color here, just check. I changed earlier. What is the sound? Sound? Any laptop issue? It's coming from where? Continuously coming? Actually, I have switched on. That is a movement detector. Okay, మెల్లగా వెళ్ళి బాను ఏమనుకో నా ఫోన్లో చేస్తావా రెండు ఆఫ్ చేసి నా ఫోన్లో చేస్తావా ఓకే I'm talking about background, right? Colors, okay. Yeah, here, right? Some percentage, correct? Default, foreground. You observe, okay? Whichever suits best, better, like this. No, not coming, right? Not coming. No, sorry. Outside also it is coming. No. Actually, I just made it setting in the app. Wait, just hold on, guys. I'm doing something. Sorry. This is the one actually we have to. From here, we can connect to directory here. Let's say there is AP top. So straight away you can copy if you know, or else from here also directly we can do dollar AP top it is, and then CD bin. Then present working directory you can see. This way also you can do, or straight away you can copy from here and you can go to CD and right click here to paste it, enter. So now both will give same result. Okay. And here is a place we have to do a symbolic link. It is ln -s, then dollar fnd directory, fnd top it is. Then in fnd top where it will be there, it is bin directory, right? And bin what will be available here? Fnd cp concurrent program esr. This is the one it is. Then after that your file name. In fnd top bin directly you have to go. Just check once, is that correct or not? Correct, right? Same only, right? You can better type it instead of copy paste some syntax. Of course, you can copy, but sometimes you will miss it while typing. Now, use this particular file without the extension, then enter. If you try to enter again, then it will give error because it's already created. It will not give any pop-up also after creating. Now, better refresh it to see that symbolic link. This is where you have to observe this, otherwise it will give error program. So without the symbolic link, the program will fail. Now the next step is what it is. We have to create a executable. Straight away go to system administrator, executable. Straight away you have to change, otherwise you will forget post program and your name. Sorry. Is that correct? Loader, right? No, I think it's missed. This is where you have to show some care. Parameters you should not skip. Come to the file and you have to tell me the parameters you have to follow in a sequence only. Okay. These are all the parameters. First is what it is, control file name. Then value set is, it is not coming from a table, right? File name will not come from a table. Definitely, we have to use 100 characters. Now, constant, you can take it if you want to pass now only required control file name, right? Where is your control file here? Let's say you worked on supplier conversion, right? Just check. Better we'll take our own. It's not there here. I'm taking from here only. People have used different naming terminology. I'll use one CTL file. So shall we take this? I think it went to other mode, is it? Okay, this we can take it. I'm looking whether the table is there or not. Okay, this table is there. If you want to make it empty also, you can make it. Delete from and commit is required. Commit where can you see here? Correct? Session and commit. Now we'll take this table. And what else we require? We require control file. Check this control file. Okay. This one it's already there. And this is available in bin directory. Copy. Slash your file name also. .ctl. Here extension is required because otherwise it will not be able to identify. Okay, first parameter is over. What next? Second parameter, that is data file path. Where is your data located? See, char is different. Characters we have to take characters. Default value, your file path where it is located. Let's say I would like to take this. Okay, someone has taken this. We wanted file path, not name. Okay, file path is also same. Slash. I think slash not required, it seems, right? Now, third one. Third one is what is archive. Archive means like you are going to take a backup into other directory. Just one level above, I would like to keep over here in this directory. One level above, or you can take any other directory. Save. Fourth one. Correct. Data file name. Brahmi ఈరోజు ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నాం అలా నేర్చుకున్నాం యూనిక్స్ ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్ data file name constant. Your file name is what it is. Any file name, but shall we take this? Oh my god, see, it is spoiled. Is this okay? This one? You take this. I don't know. I'm just taking a random file from server. But for you, I'll give you set. Okay. Data file name is simply this CSV. That's it, guys. Overall, 4 parameters here. Control file name. I think we given wrongly, right here. Only name is required, not the path. Path or first parameter is what it is. File name one. The entire path not needed. Let's see. As of now, there is no data in it. In this table, there is no data. It should give a data now. I think that directory path we have to remove it, but let's see, I'm just submitting whether it will give the same or not. Let's check what went wrong. Okay, command is not found. No such file or directory. It should complete normal. Again, check view log. Control file name, data file path. Syntax error. Here, this is creating a problem. Okay, unexpected token. What I will do, I'll take my own file. Just hold on, guys. I'll take it from directory. I'll pause the recording for time being. Guys, you are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take our own file here, whether it is there or not. Let me check. You need to register it, then only you can load the data. Now we took another random files, right? We don't know what the syntax they followed. That's why. Oh, it's already there. Yeah, correct. If it is there, then well and good. Yeah, it's there. Go to define. Correct. Perfect. There. Parameters. Main directory. Now go back to the file again. First is control file name, right? Okay. Control file which is already available in the bin directory. Let's move that. Is the file. Registration is there, but files not there. If someone removes, then we'll not be able to see, right? XX. Someone kept it already, that's wrong representation. First parameter. Data file path. This is correct only, right? Data file will give another thing. This one correct? Check. That's it, right? So that means the host program itself having a problem, it seems, correct? I copied from local machine to here, right? That quoted strings and all changed. That's the problem. So that's a file we copy, then it will not change. No, that is okay. No, SQL loader already given, but for this as host only we have to give. This is a .prog file, right? Why it is giving error is, say, if you look at here, see, these are all. Can you see here? This is different in Windows Server 2003 Windows. The problem is that actually. Just hold on, I'll sort out this problem. It's taking a lot of time. Okay. I'm not doing anything, just giving a file name and we'll move it again. Okay. Is the same recently modified? You have to check the path. If it is not correct, Control O, which is used to open the directory. Control O we can use like this. Then move. Yes, to all. Now it should work. If not work, then we'll skip this and we'll explain another point. It will take time actually. I need to check, right? You understood the problem? Problem is I copied the text from here. I just opened. Then after that I copied. Whatever here is, these are all not recognized. And it is converting as another character. So that is the reason why the file you copy, not the text. And even you will not get a clue also. I faced earlier that a problem that I just quickly recognized. Anyway, just check. First of all, you have to check the table, whether it is really loaded or not. Which table we have to verify in this control file, whatever you moved, right? The control file, this is the control file, correct? This is the table we have to check. Go to toad. So this table I am not using. Okay, I have changed it. This is the data loaded. Again, resubmit it. It has to append or it has to overwrite. I did not see what is used inside of it. And another thing is for every tool, RDF report, XML, Unix and all, what are the common issues you faced and how it is resolved? You need to note down all this. So this is a syntax error, near unexpected token else, these type of things. Okay. Soft link error, symbolic error, command not found error. Whatever the errors you found that you have to note down for every tool. In interviews, it will be helpful here. So it is error. Control file validated, archive directory validated, data file validated. Data file is missing. You have given, right? No? Both are same, right? I did not do anything. Okay, sorry. File is archived, right? After loading, what we did? After loading, we have archived, correct? That's why file it is not able to find. Okay, that's good only. Now that archived file, we have to verify into the previous directory here. Here it has to come. When it will come is after refresh only it will come. You can see it is archived. Okay. Now again, keep the same file. If you want to test it into the bin directory, then it will work now. Copy. Now you will not get that file not found and all. because we kept a file. And if you check view log, you will see everything is positive. Okay, and archived or not, how we can identify here is by using refresh, it's archived. But the same file which is not at all available into bin directory right now. That's why it is giving an error saying that the file it is not able to identify. So it is giving an error saying that somewhere not this file, data file is missing. This you only rising, how to validate whether the data file is there or not, how to validate if conditions. Do you remember if file -f? I'll show you the syntax again. Like this. This portion is fired just before. If exclamation symbol means not equal file in this particular path and file name which is not available, then we only kept this. This is our own message only. Exit one means what? It is error. That's why it is error. We only made our program as a error. If you want to make normal, what you have to do? That is 0. Okay. Guys, are you okay? We successfully loaded the data into this particular staging table. So 2 times we submitted, that's why it is appended. Clear? So as of now, 2 programs I've explained. One program is normal basic program. Second is how to load the data by using Unix. What is the shortcut key here is, command. The command is what it is, this one. SQL LDR, user ID, and then control file name, data file name, as well as log file name. Okay. And then log and bad also. Bad, bad. And how many number of errors? SQL loader by default, how many number of errors? By default, it is 50 errors until unless you mention. But here I mentioned as a 1 lakh. By default, I'm saying if you don't mention, it will take only 50 errors. But we may load like thousands of data. We will get all the, if some special character comes, all the data will go into error only. By default, it is accepting here 1 lakh. I mentioned here, that's why it is taking. Otherwise, if you don't mention error is equal to anything, if you don't mention anything, then by default it will accept only 50 errors. 51 error it will come out. Abruptly it will exit. This is also a good question here. In SQL loader, what is the default limit? 50 errors. Okay. Guys, 2 examples I gave. Any doubts before proceeding? 2 more example I'll help you right now, so that we can close the session. Any doubts, guys? Online, no one is replying.
No doubts.
You are good, right, with this self-scripting? Okay. Now, third example we'll see. Third example simply for copying. Let me see here. File copy. Are there any codes? Nothing is there here. I can easily explain you this. There's a third example. Okay, just check here. First, from this onwards, we are checking data file we are passing from source to directory to target directory. We are copying simply from one directory to other directory file. Now arguments means parameters. Your data file name, where is this file available, source, to where you have to move, that is target. Only 3 parameters. And then this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are parameters by default. Echo which is used to print here, present or print working directory, whatever, present working directory. Then echo, copying the file from source directory to target directory. For moving MV command we can use, for copying there is CP command. Dollar is for reference. We are checking if condition here. If dollar question mark here not equal 0. Okay. So here I mentioned the description. Dollar question mark. It will not contain the result of, sorry, it will contain the result of previously executed statement. So previously executed statement is this one it is. This statement. If this statement is having wrong directory, wrong source, or wrong data file name, or wrong target, then definitely what it will do? It will be 0. It will be 0 if success, 1 if it will fail in many cases, and not equal to represents it is not equal. Hyphen any means it is not equal. If something goes wrong in this, then definitely we have to make it as a error, that is 1. If not, we have to make it as 0 only. Then echo exit 1. So till here, you have to observe here. If dollar question mark. So dollar question mark, what it will do? This only these two. Previously executed statement result. The result is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So other than 0, not equal to 0 means other than 0. Other than 0, what we have to do? We have to exit. That's it. Exit with the error. Exit 1 represents concurrent program status. 1 for error, 2 for warning, 0 for success. Clearly, I made a description here. I could have explained prior to this last program. And echo file successfully copied from source to destination. Then exit 0 FI. FI means ending of if. Echo, that's fine. What you noticed in this? Nothing, just only copy command and then if command, if statement. Or if condition, I can say, sorry. We already discussed for MV. This is for copying. Let's save this file. File transfer, it is same file only we are giving. Copy. Hbox is a home box office. This is one project actually. I just take it as a naming convention. Different clients I'm taking. Every time I'm not taking ITM. Okay. File, save as all files. PROG file. Then go to first step is here. You need to move it to server. Okay. This is the file. And you are into AP. Copy. This one, correct? Data is showing wrongly, it is. That's where the problem shorting. So DBS has to adjust this. Timestamp it is wrong, correct? Move here. 777. Same steps for every program. Take this file name. After that, what I have to do? I need to go to putty. See, I don't need to again come with the Apple MGR, CD bin. No, these are all. We are already there. Okay. Just simple. I'm sorry. It's copied by mistake. So what you can do, you can put up arrow. Okay. Up arrow. Or I'll copy this. That's better. Where is the ln-s? Just find out. This one, right? Correct? Copy till here. That's not copied. It's easy for us, correct? What I need to do? CD. Then next, your program name. You will feel bored, right? Because all are repetitive steps. Correct? What next? File moved, soft link created. Next is host concurrent program. Hardly 2-minute job, right? It is. CPP. I'm not following naming conventions. You have to follow, guys. It will be easy for me, but you need to follow. Tell me. Better check somewhere here. This is better, right? Data file name source directory, target directory. Or here also somewhere where I mentioned. Yeah, here also you can go. Data file name. What I need to do? 240 characters, not char. Remember that. Constant. So which file name you want to copy? File name only. Let's say I want to move this file or this one. This is okay. Just copying only. Any file. Okay, I'm taking any file. Now, second, that file where it is available. Source directory. Use the source directory. Second is target, obviously. Source to target we are copying. I want to move one level above like this. In the organization, there will be another directory. Okay, that is over. Next is attached to request group. Clear? Just observe before submitting it. We are making a copy of this particular file to this directory. Right now, it is not there. Even if you refresh also, it will not be there. Wow. Check error. We require error only. బేసిక్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తే భయం అవుతుంది కదా, కానీ ఎర్రర్సే రావాలి ప్రాక్టీస్లో. Check, boss. You have to tell me now what is the error. No such file or directory. Syntax error. Same story, guys. Like that's okay. Here somewhere, see, it is taking correct quotes problem. Click on this diagnosed view details. I think we need to put one more extra slash, it seems here, correct? Shall we try that? If not, then definitely we have to download the file. Okay, to add it additionally. If it is not successful, we'll go with the file. Okay. Same problem. What you need to do, you get this file, copy, paste. First of all, keep all the files into your server and do it. Otherwise, you will get this type of issues. Guys, online, anyone having issues? 3 examples I told you. And there is one more also, submitting concurrent program from Unix, that I'll give you. Script I'll send you, just you register follow the same steps. Okay. We'll move the same file into the server. Got it, right? So clearly we got that problem with the file. So do not copy, paste from local machine. Copy whole file here, and whether it is copied or not, you have to verify. Here, refresh it. You can see a file. Okay. Same file, it will be there in bin directory also and here also. Copied it is simply, not moved permanently. So is that okay, guys? And another 4 example I wanted to explain is that is concurrent program related. Just it's very easy. Only one syntax will be there. Syntax is conc sub. This one. Conc sub is a utility. By using that, we can submit a concurrent program from Unix. If it is a PLSQL, we can use FND request, submit request, but in this case, it is only one keyword, that is conc sub. The rest, everything you can understand. You need to give a concurrent program name and argid value. That's it. It will take everything. Okay. Take it as an assignment. If not, then let me explain you in the next class. Okay. So I'm closing the session, guys. Do you have any doubts? Online? Any doubts, Suryans?
This question interviewer asked me.
Yeah, everything they will ask. Because nowadays, Oracle application, whatever I'm teaching, everything is important only. Usually, I don't explain junk concepts. There's a time waste for me also. You know, you are seeing, right, how busy I am. Okay. Any questions? Practice it today. Tonight, finish it. Okay. Don't set target for tomorrow. You have a lot of time now. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mallishwar, why you are not coming for classes regular? Please try to come here.
Hello?
Yeah, Mallishwar, you have to come to institute because otherwise
okay,
I will not be able to manage.
Health issue, sir.
Huh?
Health బాలేదు సార్.
హెల్త్ ఎందుకు బాగాలేదు? ఎవరు ఎప్పుడు జ్వరము దగ్గు ఏ చెప్తున్నా మాకు రావట్లేదు ఎందుకు?
ఏమో సార్ అది తెలీదు, త్వరగా రికవర్ అవుతుంది సార్.
సంవత్సరంలో 1 or 2 times జ్వరము దగ్గు అంటే ఓకే.
సార్ నాకు అసలు రేర్ సార్ వచ్చేది, రేర్.
జనరిక్ గా చెప్తున్నాలే మల్లీశ్వర్.
ఓకే సార్, రేర్ సార్. అది దగ్గర దగ్గర 12 years అయింది సార్ నాకు ఇట్లా రాక.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఒక్కసారి ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ వచ్చేది అల్లాడిపోయా సార్ ఈ మధ్య.
ఓకే ఫైన్ గైస్, నో వరీస్.
ఓకే ఓకే.
హౌ అబౌట్ యు సహానా, వేర్ ఆర్ యు? ఐ డోంట్ సీ యు నౌడేస్. వెంకటేష్, I think all are struggling with fever only.
No, Madhu, I'm not available in India. That's what I'm not coming.
Okay, where are you now?
Yeah, I'm in Australia now. I will come back within 10 days.
Okay,
Then
fine.
I will
Great.
come.
You are in a vacation, but still you are listening.
Yeah,
Appreciate.
yeah.
Thank you, Sahana. Okay, guys, I am closing. Thank you.
Okay.